Yo! So it's 1:40 in the morning. Hutch landed at 1:15. We finished my haircut at 1:20. And now we're going to pick my man up. I don't even know what else to say about that. Whose fault is this?
I don't know. I feel like it's California's fault.
It's gotta be California's fault. But welcome to episode 2, man. Episode Dose. It's actually going to be pretty dope. We going to the... Come on, man.
What the
faces, bro?
What the hell with that Dose?
It's late, yo. We going to the international motorcycle show. That's why Hutch is touching down. Bought a new bike today too. We'll get something about that. But yeah, we headed to the motorcycle show tomorrow. Progressive in Long Beach. Shout out everyone that bought a ticket from our page. Didn't see that coming. Not gonna lie to you. But appreciate it. Like that's just dope. We'll check in when we get to Hutch.
Shout out to Diggs, can't forget Ghost. Everybody out here doing the most. Everybody over here moving silent. Keep that in mind when comparing the boat.
He ugly. What's going on, man? He ugly. When you said we touching down, he was still doing my lineup on my haircut.
You got here fast.
We live close. He was
17 minutes. Jordan wanted to tell you that so bad.
I did. I want to tell you. Once again,
we not nowhere.
We had another court.
No, we not, bro. We at the motorcycle show.
We at the motorcycle show.
Fucking lying all the time.
We about to go inside. We just went through the parking lot. It was fire. Absolute fire.
Did you get anything?
For Instagram.
Oh, alright. Because I mean, you gonna tell them it's fire and did not show them?
But right now, we about to go buy these tickets. Unless somebody here wants to give us one for free, go buy these tickets. Go inside. I want to see. What do you want to see here?
The V4. So I
want to see the HP4 race.
I came for the V4.
But in that case, well,
I came for the V4.
YouTubians, the Name of the Games Network. We talking to everybody. She's talking to everybody. Talking a little bit of people. Lots of dope bikes, y'all. That's it. I don't know what else. Enjoy the bikes. Give me the camera. Let me see.
Take it.
Y'all, this is the realest bike I've ever seen. It's got telemetry in it. Never heard of that. It'll tell you who read your phone. Somebody's calling you. There's an app that connects to your phone, and it allows you to be able to like see all the phone data and the data from your bike back on the phone. So like if you're at the track, it'll tell you like speeds, throttle positions. It's insane. This bike's insane.
I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. And I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just like me with someone just like me.
I don't like it either.
Like 80s African rock.
To make it like so every time you hit a bump.
That's wild. And a suicide shifter. Holy sheesh.
I like that. Our goat's already teaching the class.
You need to hire that. You need a job. Look. What are you doing? You don't work here. I'm selling. You don't work here.
I'm trying to get no commission, bro. You don't know. I can get a discount here, bro.
Zero commission.
I'm not helping. Your commission.
You did a hell of a job selling that, though.
Hey, I did.
The Speciale
Listen to this.
is the race version. It's a smaller engine, 1,000 cc's. The V4S is 1,100.
This is a Speciale?
This is the one that's built for World Superbike because if you have a 4-cylinder, you can't have over 1,000 cc's. So this one's actually faster though. It's 10 or 12 more horsepower than that one. Titanium screws, everything. It's faster, but a smaller engine. Only 500 ever gonna be made in the world, and we have one of them sat on. That's dope. Bluetooth helmet connection problems. Can't find the charger. We've got boxes of cords everywhere in our office, and we can't find a charger. But it's Tuesday. Cameron died at the motorcycle show. Event was dope. It was dope. It was dope. Hutch is back in Jersey. Shout out Stoops for coming. Sitting on bikes. He likes bikes now. He's not gonna be happy that he's gonna end up on a bike soon. But we had the camera died, and we had some stuff going on yesterday we had to take care of. But nonetheless, we're gonna end out this vlog of becoming a social influencer with some great news. I got a new bike. I'm fired up about it. Hope you guys like it. Should we go to the closing shots now?
Can you help me find a cord, please?
Closing shots.
No.